Luciano, the messenger of reggae, a journey of faith, music, and legacy. Luciano, born Jepter McClymont in 1964, is a reggae legend revered for his soulful voice, spiritual lyrics, and positive messages. Known as the Messenger, Luciano has earned a special place in reggae history by promoting themes of love, unity, and Rastafarian consciousness throughout his career. In a world where the genre has often shifted towards more commercial and aggressive tones, Luciano has remained a beacon of roots reggae, continually spreading messages of peace and upliftment. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Lifestyle, faith, family, and simplicity. Luciano's life revolves around his Rastafarian beliefs, which influence everything from his music to his daily routine. He lives a humble and grounded lifestyle, far removed from the typical glamour associated with international stardom. Luciano follows the Ital lifestyle, a dietary choice in Rastafarian culture that emphasizes natural, plant-based foods, avoiding processed and artificial substances. His lifestyle choices reflect his commitment to living in harmony with nature and spirituality. Family plays a central role in Luciano's life, and despite his fame, he prefers to spend his downtime in the peaceful countryside of Jamaica, surrounded by his loved ones. Gardening and farming are among his favorite pastimes, reinforcing his connection to the land. His life is defined by simplicity, humility, and a deep sense of purpose, which is reflected in both his personal life and his music. Reggae career, spreading consciousness as the messenger. Luciano's music career began in the early 1990s, and from the start, he was distinguished by his positive lyrics and Rastafarian values. His breakthrough came with the 1995 album Where There Is Life, which featured iconic tracks like It's Me Again, Jah, and Lord Give Me Strength. These songs showcased his powerful, emotive voice and his deep commitment to spiritual and social themes. Unlike many reggae artists who leaned into the more aggressive sounds of dancehall, Luciano remained dedicated to roots reggae, making him a standout in the evolving landscape of Jamaican music. Known for his collaborations with other conscious reggae artists like Sizzla, Capleton, and Buju Banton, Luciano helped solidify the cultural renaissance of roots reggae in the 1990s and early 2000s. His discography is expansive, with over 20 studio albums, including A New Day and United States of Africa, which touch on global issues like unity, peace, and resistance against oppression. His music resonates with fans around the world, particularly in Europe and Africa, where roots reggae still holds significant cultural influence. Luciano's live performances are legendary, filled with spiritual energy and passionate delivery. He frequently headlines festivals like Reggae Sumfest, Rebel Salute, and international reggae events, drawing large audiences eager to hear his soul-stirring anthems. Whether he's performing in Jamaica or abroad, Luciano's presence on stage is nothing short of magnetic. Net worth and legacy. Luciano's net worth in 2024 is estimated to be around $3 million. While that may not seem extravagant compared to other global music stars, it reflects a steady and consistent career built on authenticity and substance rather than commercial trends. Luciano's wealth comes from album sales, touring, merchandise, and digital streaming, but his true riches lie in the legacy he's built over decades. As the messenger, Luciano has inspired countless reggae artists and listeners with his conscious music, his Rastafarian teachings, and his unwavering dedication to roots reggae. His influence on the genre is profound, and his catalog of music continues to be a source of inspiration for generations. Despite the shifts in the reggae world, Luciano has stayed true to his message of love, peace, and righteousness, cementing his place as one of the genre's all-time greats. Luciano is more than just a reggae artist. He's a living legend, a spiritual guide through music, and a voice of hope for all those seeking positivity in a challenging world. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting news.